Okay, so I have had some really long history of problem with igniting the fire and also keeping it smoke free. It is filled with oxygen. So I've now actually figured it out. And I think the chimney master also told me that this was the problem. The supply air tubing that goes down to the concrete floor and runs here actually was clogged. And I didn't realize that with the fiber optic cable that I went through to check the channel, which was clear. But the grid was actually filled with some sand and some dirt and some grass and stuff like this. And when I took a knife and just cleared each slot, the fire went like crazy. So yeah. Also, I think we passed 2 chimney exams that made this chimney pass the test. So there wasn't a problem with the exhaust. It was a problem with the supply air to the the stove. So yeah, there we got it. Very nice solution actually. Thank you.